Are you tired of spending hours rewatching meetings, scrambling to take notes, or feeling like you're missing key moments? In today's video, I'll show you how Fathom AI, the ultimate meeting assistant, will save you time, boost your productivity, and completely transform the way you run meetings. Whether you're managing sales calls, team meetings, or onboarding sessions, this tool has you covered. And the best part? It's completely free to get started. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why Fathom AI is the best tool for your meetings and how you can start using it today. So what exactly is Fathom AI? It's not just another transcription tool. It's like having a personal meeting assistant that automatically joins your meetings without you lifting a finger, transcribes and summarizes everything in real time, highlights key moments like decisions, objections, or action items so you can easily review what matters most. Imagine never having to take notes again or spending hours hunting for that one important part of a call. With Fathom, it's all done for you. And it works seamlessly with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Let's talk about my top 10 reasons why Fathom AI is an absolute game changer. Stick around for number 10. It's the one feature I didn't know I needed until I started using it. Let's kick things off with the biggest draw. It's free. That's right. Fathom's free version is loaded with features like full transcriptions of your meetings, real-time highlights so you can mark key moments as they happen, AI-generated summaries to save you time after the call. Honestly, I'd pay for these features alone, but you don't have to. If you do choose to upgrade to the premium version, you'll get additional tools for team collaboration, but most users find the free version more than enough. Setting up Fathom couldn't be easier. All you need to do is connect it to Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, and it automatically joins your calls as a participant. There's no complicated software or confusing settings to deal with. The best part? It's so intuitive that you'll get the hang of it in just one meeting. It's plug and play for productivity. During a meeting, it can be hard to keep track of everything being said. That's where Fathom's highlight feature comes in. Let's say you're in a sales call and the client mentions a key objection or goal. All you have to do is click the highlight button, and Fathom will save that specific moment for you. This is a huge time saver. You'll never have to scrub through an entire recording to find the one thing you need. Have you ever wasted 40 minutes rewatching a meeting just to get to the important part? Fathom's AI-generated summaries make that a thing of the past. After your meeting, it provides a concise overview of everything that was discussed. And if you're looking for something specific, just type a keyword, like budget or KPIs, into the search bar, and Fathom will take you straight to that part of the call. Here's a feature I didn't realize I needed until I started using it: Talk Time Analytics. Fathom tracks how much time you're talking versus listening during a meeting. It even flags long monologues, so you can catch yourself if you're dominating the conversation. This is a fantastic tool for improving your communication skills, especially in sales calls or team discussions. Unlike some tools that only work with Zoom, Fathom integrates seamlessly with Google Meet and Microsoft Teams too. So no matter what platform you're using, Fathom has your back. It's flexible, reliable, and works wherever you need it. The moment your meeting ends, Fathom's notes and recordings are ready to share. With just one click, you can send them to everyone who attended, or even create a shareable link for anyone who missed the call. Fathom automatically tags attendees, making follow-ups easier than ever. Fathom doesn't just make meetings more efficient, it helps you become a better communicator. By tracking emotions, questions, and action items, it encourages you to listen more attentively, ask better questions, and engage more meaningfully in your calls. If you work with a team, you'll love Fathom's collaborative features. All recordings and notes are organized by team member, so you can easily review what everyone's been working on. It's like having a shared brain for your team's meetings. Finally, Fathom is backed by a team that listens to its users. They're constantly improving the platform based on feedback, and it shows. The interface is sleek, the features are thoughtful, and their support team is always there to help if you need it. Fathom was even ranked #1 in product satisfaction on G2 in 2024, and it's easy to see why. For sales calls, I use the highlight feature to mark objections, key goals, and next steps. It's incredibly helpful for refining my pitch and following up with clients. For team meetings, Fathom tracks action items and next steps, so nothing slips through the cracks. And when onboarding new clients, I use Fathom's summaries to share clear, concise notes with my team. The result? Less time wasted, more deals closed, and smoother collaboration all around. So, there you have it, 10 reasons why Fathom AI is the best meeting assistant out there. It's reliable, easy to use, and packed with features that save you time and help you get more done. And the best part? It's free to start. If you haven't tried Fathom yet, what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description below to get started.